Hello there, welcome to Blink and Beep. Thank you all for the wonderful support. In this video, I will be reviewing the new 2-in-1 cleaner that I purchased recently for my home. Here's the product. It's the Mop and Vac of Zero Bench series from Euroclean, a division of Eureka Forbes, the brand that we all know of. Well guys, I have to tell you this. I just fell for this product just by the looks of it. I really have never seen such a sporty and stylish looking vacuum cleaner ever before. This image here is all that it needs to get your attention. Honestly, a great design effort has went in here. Let's quickly see the details on the other side of the box. Right, so here we see we have like 3 highlights here. The first one, Smart Touch, lets you switch between hard floor and carpets as per your convenience. So here is the buttons here on the handle. So it has 2 different buttons. So one is for the rug and other one for the hard floor. So we could actually switch on between these 2 efficiently. The next one is S3 Care, lets you sweep, swab and spray in just one go. We will see how that works while I show you the demo. And Twin Tank, keeps cleaning solution and dirty water separate. So as you see in the picture here, so they have 2 different tanks. So one is for the clean water, I guess, and the other one for collecting the dirty water. So again, I'll show you that when we do the demo. So that's it from this side. Let's quickly see if we find any specifications. So here is the description: Euroclean Mop and Vac plus Clean Guard multi-surface cleaning formula and accessories. And below that we have the technical specification. The voltage is 220-240 volts and the frequency is 50 Hz. Input power 560 watts. Suction power 32 air watts. Okay. Clean water container. So the container that we get for storing the clean water along with the solution, it's 820 ml, almost a liter. Dust container 620 ml with float cutoff. I will tell you what float cutoff means when we do the demo. So the brush roller RPM, it's 3000. So there is a brush at the bottom of the vacuum cleaner, so that keeps rotating at a speed of 3000 per minute. So that's what they're mentioning here. The dimensions, it's 30 cross 23 cross 116.8 centimeters. So the 116.8 centimeter, I think it's included along with the handle. So that's pretty much a good comfortable height, I would say. Net weight 5.2 kgs. Alright. So along with this, you get 2 years of warranty with this product. So with that being said, I think it's time for unboxing and then for the demo. Let's go for that. The user manual, the cleaning solution, brush holder, the handle to operate, the stand to place the vacuum cleaner when not in use. Finally, the vacuum cleaner. And the container for storing clean water and cleaning solution mix. Let's see how to fix the handle now. Just insert gently and you hear a clipping sound, and that's it. To unlock the appliance from its lock position, place your feet gently and pull the handle lever backwards. Again, you hear a clipping sound and we are ready to go. And more importantly, this product is IPX4 water resistant certified, which means it is safe from water splashes. Moving on to the dust and wastewater collector. This is the floating cutoff. When the waste container is full, it moves up and blocks the passage, which is an indication that you should empty this container before continuing further. the air filter to block the dust from escaping. It's removable and more importantly washable. And that's how to put it back. Make sure to use the handle here to lift the product instead of dragging it around. Let's see how to remove the brush and the top cover. Here it says pull. That's it. The top cover is removed. Now to remove the brush, a gentle pull and it is done. The brush has two types of material. The white with blue part is soft and sponge-like one, whereas the red spots are more like harder, helping it in removing sticky dust items from the floor. Now let's put it back. Easy as that. And for the top cover, make sure you hear a clipping sound. We have two buttons here, one for rug and the other one for the hard surfaces such as the tiles. When I press that, the LED is on and so is the vacuum cleaner. Under the handle you get another button. This is for the wet mopping. When you press and hold it, the water and solution mix flows to the brush. We will soon see that in action. Here it is all fixed and ready to go, and we will do the dry mopping first. Here's the brush in action. It is really a simple action, just like with any other vacuum cleaner. Also, it is easy to steer the product to right and left as per your need. When it comes to cleaning the corners, just be careful not to ram it into the wall, just to avoid the scratches on your product. And it fits well to reach the corners as well. When you are done, make sure to hear the clipping sound before you let the handle go from your hand. Also, what's interesting is that when in lock position, even if you start the appliance, the brush won't start rolling, which I think is for the better. And boom it goes as soon as you remove it from the lock position. And now it's time to see the results for our dry cleaning. I leave it to you to judge the product. Well, if you are not satisfied yet, what you are about to see will definitely make you too. I know it's gross, but I won't be doing a justification to this amazing product if I don't show this. I never knew my floor was this bad, feeling really worse when I see this. Moving on, once the excessive dust is removed, it's time to clean the filters. And that being said, it's time for the wet demo. Here is the water and solution mix container. It has two markings. First is for small area. You see the markings for water and formula levels. the second one for large areas, and you see the markings for water and formula levels. The container also comes equipped with a filter which can comfortably filter solid particles from entering the inner connection. For this demo, we'll be using the cleaning solution that we got with the package. Let's fill the water for a large area and mix it with cleaning solution as advised. Alright, the solution is being loaded. And before we start, let me show you on how the wet mop works. You press the same button, the motor starts, and now to the button on bottom. Press and hold and you should see two LED light strips turning on as an indicator, and you can see the water actually flowing to the rolling brush. Here we are doing the wet mopping. You could notice the water being applied so evenly for the entire length of the brush. Also, we notice that it dries quicker than when you do hand mopping. Make sure to press the button below the handle when you move forward and release it when you move backward. This ensures even better cleaning and quicker drying time for the wet floor. Also, be mindful of the 20 feet cable when you are walking backwards. I have covered like half of my living room, and let's see the results now. Well, here we go again, almost black in color, and that's the result of mopping for around 5 to 6 minutes. I can only imagine the result for a full floor mopping. Let's see how to use this tray. This is not just a stand to hold your vacuum cleaner, it also doubles as a brush cleaner. There's an indication here, max, which is to fill clean water. And here is this brush holder with arrows pointing down. And it goes right here. Now let's fill some water and place our appliance on top. And turning it on allows the brush to rotate, and in the process it collects the water that we just filled, and by that it cleans itself. Just 15 seconds on and here is the result. This is simply great. Cleaning by itself. Let's take a look at the brush now. Looks clean to me. And would you believe me if I say that there is not even a single drop of water in the brush and it is so dry. Also, no water left on the tray. If you still want to dry your brush, just put it in. And with that, we come to the end of this video. An amazing cleaner. I'm definitely happy with it. Well, like some say, the sound might be high than the battery operated ones, but this definitely gets the power. Do post your comments on the product and about this video as well. See you in another video. More videos on my channel. Do check them as well. Thank you. Bye bye.